Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about this product M3 Naturals Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil. You should buy this product or not. Does it really provide you benefits regarding your cellulite problem? Okay, so if you are facing these kind of problems, then you are going to make a purchase of this product and you want to know like does it product really give you benefits or not. So basically I would like to tell you like only one thing, that M3 brand is a very popular brand and they are available on Amazon.com and they are also available on iHerb. So in the terms of presentation, in the terms of legitness, the brand is looking like 100% legit. Okay, now we talk about like the results. So basically when you use these kind of product related to anti-cellulite massage oil, they will give you results, but results are not, you can say like permanent, or you can say like they will not permanently remove your all cellulite problems. Okay, it will not dilute your all, you can say like cellulite, you can say like skin issues. Okay, but it can temporarily improve your skin texture and it can reduce your appearance of dimples through improving blood flow and hydration. Okay, but results will not come overnight. You have to use product at least for 3 to 6 months, and after 3 to 6 months you will see some changes in your body. Okay, and if we talk about like what are the things you need to keep in your mind, like you have to make a proper discipline, you have to use this product consistently, and you have to massage on your body parts where cellulites are appear. You need to give proper, you can say like massage, and if you use product consistently for at least 3 to 6 months, then you will see some changes on your body. Okay, now if you have any questions you can make a comment. If you have any experience, please mention in our comment section, because your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this video will helpful. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.